Using UTM, you can install any operating system on Mac virtually, and this is the official website of UTM. So let's see how we can download and install this software for our macOS. So at first we need to go mac.getutm.app, or you can go google.com and you can search UTM and then you can hit enter key, then you'll find the link of that website. Okay, so here is the link of the UTM website. If you click here, you will go the same page. So this is one approach, or you can directly type this URL and it will be on this site. Now to download it, basically there is one button, download, and before download there is a line. It is written very clearly that securely run operating systems on your Mac. That means it is designed for Mac, you can say. And I see actually after like using different like virtualization software like VMware or VirtualBox, this is one of the best among all of them. So I love this software, and today I'm going to show you how to install this thing after downloading this thing. So there are two ways you can download this software. One is directly from this website, and there is Mac App Store. If you download from here, you have to pay some amount. So I'm not interested to pay any single penny. So I'm not going to download from here. Rather, I'm going to download from this option, which is completely free and is completely free to use also. So to download, we just need to click here, and then very shortly it will bring this window. To download this software. So I'm using Brave browser, but if you can use some other browser like Safari, Google Chrome, everything is fine. And then you need to save it to the computer. Once it is saved, then we need to access the download folder. So I'm going to access, and this is the software which we downloaded. Now we need to install it. To install it, it's like other software in Mac. You can install the same way. We just need to double click on here basically, and the installer window will be appeared. Here you will see the UTM application is on site, and there is the applications, and there is a small arrow. So we have to drag it and drop it inside this application to start the installation. So I'm going to click here and dragging and dropping inside the applications, and very shortly on like information will be updated very shortly that the software has been installed successfully. For my laptop is becoming very fast, so I think it's already installed. So let me verify that. So I'm going to click this spotlight search, and then I'm going to type their software name, which is called UTM, and if that is there, that means it is installed successfully. Now if you click here, it will open the application. Once you try to open the UTM software, then you will get this type of message. UTM is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, I'm sure, because I need to use this software to create a virtual like Mac or Windows, something like that. I'm going to press the open button to start opening the application, and very shortly it will give us this type of prompt, which I'm going to click the continue button because I'm not interested to read those things. And that's it. In this way we can easily install the UTM software on our Mac environment, and later we can actually install some virtual machine inside it like macOS or some Windows or Linux or something like that.